something feels off. You don't say it, but you feel it every night. The energy isn't the same, the confidence slowly fading. And even when she's right there, you know you're not the man you used to be. And that feeling, it hits the hardest in silence. It doesn't have to stay this way. Sometimes your body needs the right natural support to reset, recharge, and bring that lost energy and confidence back so you can finally feel like yourself again. Please address your circulation and hormonal balance. Science shows that optimized blood flow and natural herbal support are the keys to reclaiming your edge. When looking for natural support, there are two key products to consider. One is Nitric Boost Ultra, and the second is Endopeak. Both serve a specific purpose for your performance and health. Now let's look at the exact breakdown of how these tools work to get your edge back. Nitric Boost Ultra is a powerhouse of exceptional nutrients, meticulously chosen to support healthy circulation, and just one scoop of this powder per day supports healthy erection, promotes better blood flow, and maintains high energy levels. Endopeak's formula combines high-quality raw ingredients from around the world that work together for maximum performance. It's the only natural supplement on the market designed to enhance erection quality and duration, along with providing increased stamina and a heightened libido. Ready to reclaim your peak performance? Start your journey to peak performance today and choose the formula that's right for you. To get the authentic formula and ensure the best results, you must order through the official website. Click the link in the description right now to go directly to the official website of Nitric Boost or Endopeak.